The Zoom APH-5, the accessory pack for the Zoom H5 handy recorder. It includes a hairy windscreen with an adjustable drawstring for a secure fit. The windscreen can help reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. The package also includes a remote control for the H5. It also includes a 9-foot remote control extension cable. You can use the remote control to enable tracks, start and stop recording, add marks, adjust output volume, and skip tracks. Also included is a mini USB cable. With this cable, the H5 can be used as an audio interface or an SD card reader. Also included is the Zoom AD17 USB AC power adapter. Its rated output is 5 volts, 1 amp.